Hey guys, I'm Matt. This is the MacBook Pro 2018. What's on board the report? The 13-inch, 8 GB, and the storage is 256 GB. And this is a MacBook Pro, so you can see the touch bar. Okay, and let me show you the keyboard backlight. Now you can see the keyboard backlight, no problem, no problem. And you can see the trackpad function, no problem. The function, no problem. Also, here's a little bit dirty here. Also, you can see this is Touch ID and the touch bar, no scratches, no broken. And let me show you the top cover. Okay, you can see the minor scratch. You can see the charging port. And here, the minor scratch here, and here. Okay, the audio ports. Okay.